Hello, welcome back to my bench. Today we got something pretty simple but threw me for a loop for a while, and I just thought I'd put this really quick video up to show you what happened. Basically I got in, guy sent me in this Optiplex 7020 that he wanted Linux put on so he could use it in his family room as a basically a TV system or whatever you call those. Anyway, it wouldn't run. It would come up and do post and all that kind of stuff until you attached hard drive. And then it just wouldn't do anything at all except for the light here would blink 15 times, a short blink, and then 2 blinks, pause, 2 blinks. This threw me for a loop for a while until I found something out, and I'll show you what it is here. If I take these guys loose and pull this up, all I got is my phone today. I didn't have anything else. And we look down in here on this 7020. You only have 2 wires, or 2 sets of wires coming off the power supply down here. You've got a big long one that goes over to there for the CPU. And then you've got the power supply connector, which goes to here. All the power for the drives and everything is derived from the motherboard. And it's under here, this little plug right there. Well, if we look at this, pull this out here. There we go. This little plug, that's it. And if you look down on the bottom, right down there, if I can show it to you, right there is where it plugs into. Well, if you look at that, there's no keyway. You just plug it in kind of by the definition of what side, see if I can do it, of what side the little lock is on. And if we can get down in here, I don't know if you can see this, but the little lock is right there. The little tab that locks this thing in is right there. And on your plug, the little lock thing is right there. Well, this one, whoops, sorry about that. This one had been turned around so that that lock was on the other side. Now, how this happens is if you don't pull, or if you don't clip this little clip here on the plug, if you don't pull this back and just jerk on this plug, you can pull that whole plastic assembly out. Well, somebody had done that, and the plastic assembly was turned around the wrong way, so putting this thing in the wrong direction, meaning going like that instead of like that, where it's supposed to be, meant that when you plugged in a hard drive, you were shorting out the power supply. I looked this up on the web and absolutely nothing. So if you come across one of these that's plugged in like that and it has 15 blinks on the power switch light, and followed by a very short flash and then a pause and then 2 flashes and a pause and 2 flashes, that's supposed to tell you there's something wrong with the power supply. Well, there is. It's plugged in backwards. So check that little guy right down there. Make sure it's in the right direction. And now it runs. Here comes Linux. We'll bring it up. He wanted Cody put on this. Yeah, which I did. So we'll bring it up here. Ta-da! And there's your Linux. Well, this is Mint 19. And let's see. It's under sound and video. Cody, he gets to set this all up, of course. But just as proof, there's Cody. So it all works just like it's supposed to. That was fun. Anyhow, that's enough for this one. That took me about an hour to figure out. Oh well. Hey, thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.